Good afternoon, my name is Jeff. I'm with Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 4075 Northeast Mallory Avenue here in Portland, Oregon. Located just off to the right of the front door here. There's a 3-inch cast iron cleanout. This will be the point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. Currently have water running. Here we go. And here at 4 feet, it transitions over to 4-inch ABS pipe. Everything's looking good so far. And here at 19 feet, we do have a root intrusion. Looks like it's also transitioning here at 19 feet over to, it looks like 6-inch concrete. It's kind of hard to tell with the root intrusion there. It does look like 6-inch. That was at 19 feet. I will get that marked for a spot repair on the way back out, as roots can be cut out of the way, but they will always grow back and generally always cause problems at some point. I just want to mention, more than likely that root intrusion is right near the street curb or in the street, and the responsibility of the city. I will, when I get that located at the end, there's some more root intrusion throughout the concrete here. It's in kind of rough shape, but again, it's the city's responsibility from the curb out. Okay, and here at 52 feet from the point of access, we have reached the terminus for the line out on Northeast Mallory. And despite the root intrusion and the rough shape of the concrete, it still does have some decent flow to it. So I don't expect there to be a massive backup or anything like that immediately after moving in. But I would recommend submitting the video to the city so they are aware that there is root intrusion, and then it could cause some issues in the future. I'm going to go ahead and reel back the camera and locate where that large root intrusion is at the transition. Okay, I did locate the root intrusion here at the transition joint. It's about 6 inches or so out into the street on Mallory, and which would make that the responsibility of the city. And again, I would highly recommend submitting the report and video to the city so they know that this root intrusion exists. Roots generally keep persisting and growing, and at some point will probably block the sewer line. How soon, it's kind of hard to say, but it would be a good idea to inform them so they know they need to get out here and fix this section of pipe. The entire concrete section's in pretty rough shape, and there's some other minor root intrusion throughout the concrete. But for the most part, it looks like most everything's getting past it right now. the line is functioning properly out to the street curb. So from the curb, all pipe-on property is in good shape. I'm going to go ahead and reel back the camera.